Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to keep you updated on upcoming videos. Today I am giving you an important message about International Human Solidarity Day 2022. This day is observed on 20th of December to spread awareness among the public about the importance of solidarity and to lift people out of poverty, hunger, and disease. Let us have a look at the history, objectives, and significance of the day. On December 22, 2005, the General Assembly by Resolution 6209 identified solidarity as one of the fundamental and universal values. It should underlie relations between peoples in the 21st century, and so it was decided to proclaim 20th of December as International Human Solidarity Day every year. On December 20, 2002, the General Assembly by Resolution 57265 established the World Solidarity Fund. It was set up in February 2003 as a trust of the United Nations Development Program. Its main aim is to eradicate poverty and promote human and social development in developing countries, mainly among the poorest segments of their populations. As to the United Nations, concerning globalization and the challenge of growing inequality, the strengthening of international solidarity is significant. Therefore, it is important to promote a culture of solidarity and the spirit of sharing, for combating poverty. The day is observed every year to promote the concept of solidarity in the fight against poverty and also in the involvement of all relevant stakeholders. The day also focuses on promoting peace, human rights, and social and economic development. The United Nations organization realized that solidarity is cooperation in solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural, or humanitarian character. The day is observed to celebrate our unity in diversity. It reminds the government to respect its commitments to international agreements. The day spreads awareness about the importance of solidarity and takes action to strengthen new initiatives for poverty eradication. The day also spread awareness to promote solidarity for the achievement of sustainable development goals like poverty eradication. In the 21st century, solidarity is mentioned in the Millennium Declaration as one of the fundamental values of international relations. Solidarity is an awareness of common interests, generating a sense of unity in societies. The aim of the UN through cooperation and solidarity is to uplift people out of poverty, hunger, and disease. Or we can say that solidarity is a bond of unity or agreement between individuals, united around a common goal or against a common enemy.